to audio conversation the Ketekia. I was sleeping, no me, I was just sleeping. I was sleeping when Ketekia and the Ekia slave, the ring buyer. Yes, where they do all this. My love, oh, thank you, sweetie, thank you. When they do their evil conspiracy and their when they conspire, me, I was not there. Ekia slave, you don't know say Ketekia the record them. Ketekia con the record and they con they talk as they won't do. More con they play the small. As they digress when they play the small. Lol, about Lolo. I go beat Lola. I go beat Rita. Oh, now so Sarah. Meanwhile, welcome guys, share the video. Meanwhile, the audio when February, okay, last year. The one when Lolo take beat. When it take beat Ketekia. Even good evening, how are you? Even Ekia slave on they follow her, they cry. None of the so. A lot is a beg, but my God, you not con they breathe. She wasn't breathing anymore. Oh my God, she know. That one was in December. Like you. You always laugh on my video. Say my mom. I God, that's good. Yeah. Akure Junction. Akure Junction. She know. A lot of this brutalized. Lolo brutalizing. On a be because they follow and they cry. On a lele aso. They are full of evil. They are full of evil. What is she can't they do? What is she can't they talk? Share the video and let's move. I'll play and waiting up till now what they are still doing. Waiting that they do. This one are just to let you know waiting make this morning, the video I was showing this morning. When they play, when porn star on now this morning they do amu. They do that video when I come they laugh because Cora don't due to born. Cora and that idiot, they are not the same and they can never be the same. Now just the difference between, I'm not saying they are the same, the difference between person when they get joy and the person will not get joy. That was what I'm not talking they can never be the same, never. Say you will get belay, you will get joy. That was what I was trying to demonstrate on that video. Cora, they enjoy, they go all the everywhere. On so I just want to put it there. Naim. You got it, you get a point now. So this idiot, as they tell they do, when no yahu, when yahu not be today, it has been long. After she does succeed, the time when good evening, sweetie. Good evening. I just they wake up just nice. I just they wash you and sleep for bed. I read books more, sleep take me. Ena bolovu he want that your I did the others when me I can't play and me I can't tell now. So you don't be surprised. It don't take. The hate it has been long. It has been long. You understand? Since when Rita, when that idiot they go call him, yana ya tie, yana ga gwa lo here. But aproko, Aproko was supporting one even easy obere amwe bog Aproko since last year. That was August. This one I won't play now August. Aproko had been Aproko you like that Ekia slave normally, I don't know why, you know. But he hate Aproko or hate. He can't they plan as want to bring a Aproko page down. If he carry a video, when no ya bring it down, no go Aproko. I was just sleeping. Me now here. Now waiting that they do now be this. Just the preview. Just the listing. Me at the plan they go. After it does succeed. After it does succeed for Rita that time when me and Rita can't get problem. Because waiting they can't they do. Because they plan more. I'll play it.
Hello, mommy kids. Jesus.
This one why they play so. This one this one a Dove voice of Lao. Another conspiracy. That one waiting that they do that one another day. Now we'll play that one. Boom.
Jesus Christ.
Because a victim playing a henna. Why you are the perpetrator, you're claiming victim. Why is she claiming victim? Later, you are not innocent. Why are you claiming victim? You are not innocent.
After 2 garçons, Eritana relive, you don't have bo. Why you get go? Eri keti when they say like me, Eri keti when they say like me.
I can't be you. Why you will have a bena? I can't do you for body now. Why you will have a be? I they do you. She can't they happy. She can't they like that idiot can't they tell and say me she know because she always a find when she won't put for front. She can't they happy on her gear. Ek be ma tek be okoi. But the reference that time ek be ma tek be.
Who they say who for live video? Who said who? People just come out and do their thing. When I want boy I grow a page here. When the walk up back your bar. Who does that?
I mean, who does that? Before we go, I said I want to go sleep. La wo see you bovo. Oh we no. Me I make another think we more rolling ya. O ma ro ba
ni. Say na we Rita bueno.
Rita hin.
Yeah, what did they talk? Y'all should listen. And listen to why they cry. Y'all should listen. Now this one that they do on up to today, up to date. Now what do they do with this?
We're talking because if we win you one when you're okay, o make money, Rani, o make you no beg, o make you no.
Me and Lada, una dey here. From the beginning to the end.
Say that carry a deal with ya yanike. Ah, Jesus.
One more wicked or Gary.
This one at night, oh, this one was about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock every year. As you know, they made that idiot knock your hammer every year. Now what did they do?
Say that shit. When they say that shit, or to loge, and you for 2 days for the video. You are lying, you didn't see the video. I post there, no plan about
Proko. Na Proko, ya Proko. Oh, mama.
It's what did they do a Proko for his side, boss. This one August last year. You hear them? He said why Proko will post him because she they like to the control person where they like to they tell you what you won't do. Woman now where is it better with the verse? See what he talk. And Proko was supporting, Proko was promoting Proko now on now head na Proko more video any here and when he talk make it drop a Proko page. Because Kate they can't plan inside.
For 2 days for the video. You are lying, you didn't see the video. Aproko posted no plan about Proko.
Onyeni na Proko ya gbe ya Proko wo. O ma na gbe ya Proko we. Aproko imagine no one gbe jo. O yin ka o we Kate dey our blacklist because he report our video.
Imagine.
Another one.
When I
say that place.
When they say that shit.
You hear him?
For 2 days for the video. You are lying, you didn't see the video.
Ogunga gbeke. Ogunga gbeke.
Onyeni na Proko ya gbe ya Proko wo.
This is what they are doing till date. Ogun agbe eketi ni ja akura pumbe. Akuna matata family. No deva war. They swear for Aproko for him. Now Google kill them. Oh, now Google kill them.
Omi na Aproko ya gbe ya Aproko wo. Oma na gbe ya Aproko we.
So,
it so why not do and we not women I don't like this cat. And I said again.
See the video. Aproko post no plan about Aproko.
Omi na Aproko ya gbe ya Aproko wo. Oma na gbe ya Aproko we. Aproko imagine no one gbe jo. Or yeta or we Kate dey our blacklist because he report our video.
Imagine. Video me
so it is so why not do and we not women I don't like this cat thing. And
all this audio na take on the record them o. On a record day I can't say all of them. Like on the record them. As the record, when no record the leg here, it can the record the care slave. When no ya mo bogba Aproko mo boy, you dey hear. They hear Lolo wa be ho nya be so ge Lolo ban. Eriya wa to ya here.
Ni o temo ban of Nigeria or wa we go computer science. Ina wa
go reach Aproko
for now. Because that for me we mainly do this rubbish things. Now all this Italian my like so no la ona okay now ona we they know when you go out. Ina when you go na mi ga video. We na old yellow a share of animal share in our reporting but you are share when I share no problem or when you understand everything I share and they are publishing now we thank you and now I send that baby no book away oh no me ma make me with this one go down no go down or when the insulting me and beg I was too much reporting because a good blogger you don't allow insult you could have it
they talk say Inter Aproko say na person wey dey Nigeria na him dey report am. Meanwhile, we play the record when your husband maybe another time. You see that tegolo, when that tegolo na him dey do am. That lie in the life for here say Inter Aproko say na one person call the do for Nigeria lie. The one where that tegolo no one that idiot. Why I will play.
Today not for many years. Linda Ikeji for many years. Ina ya talk about my now we blessing job we my own. Or we man you want here tell me next blog away all these bloggers.
No, he can't dey lie for year. No, this one in the tell that one say waiting Inter Aproko. Other I told you na tegolo they do. Tegolo na demon na devil. You see that tegolo? Why I can't what's the not be me your own? Cause I know tegolo. He can't they lie. Well, now what did they tell? Now what did he tell Jennifer Collins? Now what did he tell Aproko? When he report Aproko page, where he for write and say make that one report and he report. That's why they tell them that day. Say make them know the character. You hear when the AK slave talking? He can't they wait make Aproko carry a video again so that make him drop in page. Don't make it not report where they go down one. Now lie.
Where they don't entertain a lot of insult because una way they do live video now they are customer. Una be their customer. They're supposed to treat you right. You know in your way they will but where they is rubbish.
Must be mystery. Anyway, I encourage him to comment back.
Okay.
Video me try.
Una do be message go me. Say easy no way to easy ma wa bi agwena we say o ye me color no ga mu ye to ma na wa bi gon. Ona ta ma me we gbe wa we that Aproko be message gi we. In never Aproko na ri tell me o mama like ebuya ogele gbe go me beti me mi boy atie. Ona we gbe wa we me mi no e gbe na la loji. Immediately, my reality. When my lad young keke, walk out, baby, my mio, in Nemo, in Agbegewe. What happened? I'm scared of being reported when on our way no EID for now. The second time I don't bother to ask because Okaka man, Okaka Mamene, the first time we are Itobiya Edegbiya. Second time I was not even bothered. So maybe I don't even care. Marry tell but umame women, congratulations for your wedding. Umame women nothing. Umame post.
Sarah, where you see all this audio? Na tegwolo akuna matata pikin na isende. You know that time when Queen Rita out take the ground, he couldn't dey happy. She was happy. She couldn't record this one with her. She don't know that fool, that pregnant depressed element. And this time, ekwe or but she does succeed. Say me and Rita can't get problem. This was 2 o'clock in the midnight. Me and daughter sleep. She called the happy. He and the depressed pregnant elements. They can't they talk what they want to do later. Regarding the menu for inside.
The marriage, nothing. The first of my video, una wa ya gbe insulting things to Hivani. Emana do use a picture of women in ya marry ya comment Hiva. No way Emata make it marry my come error you just like Oma.
No ya marry when he take put money for take go head. When he take do marriage for that one head, your way.
I could stop all this. Away, nobody's above insult. So for
share
that
the video.
That video has to be deleted. All I do until na me na to reply, but I will be commenting on it. No need me bother. In the reply, we also sorry that
they discuss about
reply with Instagram. I'm so sorry. In a new admin in Nigeria. So you help me matter my who and who not to block. Or say who and who not to report. Or man.
They discuss apropos. Meanwhile, the time we take report apropos page. Now take gonna report more. He take gonna make report time. All time he take gonna no report. He can't tell apropos as they tell all of the same and one person for Nigeria lies.
Me feel woman but we okay.
Don't post that.
When I
social media na not send ya na mo video we to we ya ho. Your friend they do for her.
They go you get hatred for everybody. I say apropos here in discussing. See the hatred for inside. And apropos like this monster. The hatred when they call they get for that one. That's why God they punish him. This one at midnight oh. Here why women the ancestor. Here this one at mid. The night when they do this one so. This one around 2:30.
Yeah,
me over.
Stay away from her. Exactly.
I share you group. Share me, I share you gang. I not get to the share you. I not get to the help you. I not get
issue. We're helping each other. That's what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
We support each other.
Okay.
It's sure if you can't sure.
If I can't talk here, boy. Helping who? Helping each other. Help who? Now then, no. Now me they share the job for my big page. Here, fake account when they open for everywhere when nobody deny they share. Now they talk say they help. Thank God. If you have one.
We don't fear.
Okay.
It's called support.
Hijime. A big woman in it.
It's like both from a victim.
You hear? Yeah, like Sarah. Awa lagun ya na Sarah. O se gbe Lolo bon.
Tennis. After we mona they do wetin they make una happy. Hey, this one that always.
Exactly.
Me you don't know. This our tennis. Always share me, I share you group. Share me, I share you gang. I not get to the share me, I not get to the help me, I not get to
imagine we're helping each other, that's what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
We support each other.
Okay.
It's sure if you can't say yeah, sure.
Imagine.
We don't fear.
Okay.
It's called support.
Jimmy. Egbe woman in it.
No one that
It's
say
not
that.
like but for me victim.
I was
Now
thinking
it's that don't la java kwe no eko sole here or tie bole no sole because dana ke phone ma do ati is that not so
Na Sarah turn now. Oh, yes, son, what do Iko? Iko is going on. Listen.
okay.
is that not support?
Okay.
You open your phone for people to call. Oya na joke generation here. Okuna gbelu area na gbelu. That was the support here na share working. That's the support.
Okay. The support of it no equal we no to tie. Okay, platform in here ya call the support of it no equal.
Okay, the next one.
Gigi, orazi we live video fia.
Fifteen no form na. Oya to yani mjimu yowa. Oni akpabo ya te police get work we. When they say that talent in that way.
Ai gozi. Emata wa no evicting no wa.
Akpabo ya te police get work we. When they say that talent in that way.
Ai gozi. Emata wa no evicting no wa play na. Ose na wa ya do ya ju.
Because
Can you imagine? They know where I'm as it bring that boy from streets. We know I'm the street in Mulawa. They hear in your God.
Evicting no wa play na. Ose na wa ya do ya ju.
Because
Next, please.
or you glass or you are married, no sooner than one man get a glass. Ah, a bogoya, you got to say, enemy, woman or Jenny or bogoya. 11 o'clock with your boya.
Woman, Oshekebo mama, one if no bogoya or son, a money every time you talk.
Nino go with Beya or Nania. Kiwa so be 12. Uf yo goya o wowa. Don't want your goya o bana. Udo azele do ni konkon. I don't know konkon tele kwa uno
Esera ga beg video ni yawe. Ni eja vie bobo wasona. Iye yeri mo power ni sira. Me not be yin sira na sira la o ge ya lo ye serita eja. Oh well, you have to say I ban you na me threatening because erita na do threatening.
Yes.
When me nota. Or when or what
that is not nice.
Or what thing is Estela has stop or man tie boni ye dey stop ye tie boni je ket uno me ni je ket ya cons ye ket o man je sira obey eva ni ete o ni la tore at the same amount ni ko jivani because the social media na here we ke don't tell me stop emi ni ese da ma o no isuno ese la una me we just get no fit talk to me again. Eketi marie waya gbegbo wa eketi mata ma me yiri megi veri yemi ni keti ta and the
That one don't finish.
hey Jesus
We know they are killers.
me me
No
say
fear, we don't when you talk. A victim in a form now. Oh, yeah, more than for him, you what? Then I'll tear ball, I'll tear by. No, if now, dear, you define, you know, go see and face me. That made the chest face me. You know, see, oh dear, where the balloon with video? I understand the way of love it, but then if not so no watch up. They make enough for the work on where the latter.
Oh, me wa gwa ga be gbe se la be yin me ni wa gwa ga yo. E mo ta mu we.
No, we no can be it.
Oh, yin
We don't know where that then in Lolo.
Yeah.
Where not the woman and that young guy die.
Oh, we love Lolo. Lolo, you're welcome.
Oh, Malatia. Very chinese or Malatia. Oh, guy, Paloy. Oh, question when you be live video.
Akabo. Me
Oh, see, you get the idea. Oh, always submit your children, don't submit your children.
Can you imagine?
Come and submit. I have submit my children and my husband. You come before you want to do something. No, no, can't be it.
Oh, we.
If your time will be bony, only a boy, you do submit TV, they can submit a year.
Okay. Okay.
You don't submit a year.
Okay.
Only you do submit TV.
Okay. Oh, we boni.
I can hear submit TV. Okay, to like it.
Okay.
No, when we go if you're going to
na wagume kwa le bari video ni wagume kwa le bari video ni wala o.
Oh, ya mwe. Oh, because me lo eve fe kakati me wo doni. O when you submit e biya. When I went to have here like
ave proof na me woni se la ya
gidi. Ya we wo maybe over fast so we
Oh my yeah, over these are 12. Love and like on the video, share the video.
Meji na wako jaja me na video ere ma. Jaja me no gume forward the say na no ya gbekere o. No na we di eri yen kwa lo.
Oh, yeah. So that play, I wait 1 minute, play. Oh, yeah, it's a bonnet.
They can win on the submitted money because American way I submit on the regime.
No, we not do submit TV
a all time when we go to submit already when the time man because my man a all time when I submit all regime. My cat I want me all time no we review regime. A all time we here senior la day and we answer again because on your way now we say that we are winning again. Say that we are winning again.
So yeah, feeling the videos.
La ozi la. Because tell when or anything ya. Ogie matele na. Wa see. Other for me away now this one me they talk. Not be say you just play every day by day. Oh no, person wey go there in time of trouble. You mean everybody know. Away time of trouble in your matter. Time of trouble because I know you.
Cause on na trouble. Erita na ga vio no na trouble na gwale man of you when die. Udege ya na ga gboru we dia. You see how you can't they do you now worry you when the reverse is not the case. Everything when you play can't they do you. Here we give me over. It can't they borrow. Hey, what we say?
Oh, when no bucket uve where that day we want taking out arene. I always say, oh, my way you know, retire one me. Immediately, I participated with my way time for the team. Me white still. Since when you marry with video, me I want lock up. Meriwa.
Video no video, no video.
Yeah, well, I worry Lolo.
No need to carry yourself.
Yeah, la dia worry Lolo. Now one I Lolo bruzo. Yeah.
Since when you marry with video, me I want lock up. Meriwa.
Video no video, no video.
Yeah, well, I worry Lolo.
No need to carry yourself.
All plan they plan. You see they do it today.
Only which is not good. Or where we see is why. Only one no more quick here why.
Oda yo carry Monica Reni. Already baby Lolo. Oda.
Yeah. Oda. Where the land was here. the meeting with me and the said I need I cook gagagiri do what me go to me agagila 5 ibasona. Ni rita etalo igaga ko send.
Nana que nós message on magie.
No problem,
Ion we sera. Ion rimaiva. Erita yemi mo owa vie bo live video si. Me to wedding na woman ya lowi. Me wa we live Facebook o vie bo talo ya ni me do wa viva ni me gi eti record vi wanana. Ina we no mugwe. So mwe na wa ta we are is true on ni vi ti e boni je ketona ba we ni edo legbe. Edurama. Okay. Me white still. Merita. Since when you marry with video, me I want lock up. Meriwa.
Video no video. No video.
Yeah, wala dia you worry Lolo.
No need to carry yourself come out on it. Which is not good.
Oh, you worry Lolo.
Why?
You hear? Did you get it? Not be only and this idiot not be the duamo. Ya say we no resend ni gabe no ya gion ni hunwe. As that one, yeah, whether a screenshot or come here, I don't know. Say only for your ear. Now only your ear alone. Now you will hear all the evil planning and all. This poster, a poster no wa mieni. Damn. Mumu. That girl don't know what it be a problem. You might know a problem. Midnight daytime mumu. That is why you see say they are paid, they reflect for our body. Even with pregnancy. This one was August last year. Yeah, 1st of August last year. This one they place on the 1st of August. Any boom very young. Agele boom. Ni boom.
Iji.
The letter, Lolo. This one come be December last year. After August. When Lolo come, after the everything. Obona ye, I can't see whether they cry. No, when they come, they cry for the ketekia. Yeah. After those one when I fair play, now this one. Oh, my sister. This one I Lolo they talk to. This one I Lolo they talk. This porn star. This one I Lolo they talk to. He was talking to Lolo here. We are using you for what they hide their face. No, that idiot, that ketekia. Now what did she do? That's what she's still doing now. When they tell her say she they use that that porn star, that's what she do. If she don't do, she'll come and meow. She can't say she not go talk to Rita. This time now, when they do all those evil for dance when they play us now. Oh, we ain't going. Oh, I not go talk to Rita because they this idiot. Cause they do. This porn star when they see karate today no buenya. She called the happy because her boy died in the year fire. Oh, na do well. Oh, get my terenenia. That's what she's doing to this porn star, this post. Hey. That's why when I tell her, say, you see now, you are going to carry all your evil, all your atrocity, everything with your head, and I will beat you for all the rubbish when you do your boy. And with the truth, I will beat you with the truth. Like she's dying. If you know the cry, when can they cry, they cry. Where guy you? Say, those one when they do. Say, if to say they walk. Where I am here, who say because I expose them. I expose them. If you know what they do. And the way they think they return to now. Yes, now I mean, and that idiot. You see this page, so they report. They call the report. As they blast them. They were reporting. But based on where is your baby, Anna Bie Oba. Is your winner. And I monetize. They almost die. Because they don't want to be hearing the truth from my mouth. Because when I will not buy my swama ye, based on say me no, I can't blast them with the truth. Like you can't be using my head anymore. You know if they use that your juju when they use when they manipulate. Juju when they can use for faith for many years. When faith no green, no, she no see light. Me. Can they use? When the thing clear uncle, she's crying. You don't want to know. Now let me know what I do. Anyway, she called the laugh say Rita was crying. And we just the truth. She called the happy say she used me against Rita. She succeed. But how the reverse, when the reverse come be the case I be. Ketekia di akuna matata family. When your mato to de Bruce. Now me say me your mato to de Bruce. More when we usually we balance a career. Am I the one that told you that? More gear where now me say me you go the fall for husband. Now me say me you do adulterous. Like I hear you were. You guys are best of the same feathers. The reverse was the case. If you know the cry, when this idiot they cry, when they cry for fake accounts, and then over solar dian, who no never dare you. That's why I permit them when they cry. When you was so fake, when they cry then. You saw him. You will not know, but I know. She was happy. Oh, not do well. She can't succeed using for Rita. Oh, you not that way gossip. Add everybody. Imagine the next when they call overnight around 2 o'clock. Even me they sleep. Even I procure here. And I got do it call me now over there. And I got do ever son. Meanwhile, you they sleep. That's why in the middle of this wicked each other they walk. You know, go now when you won't. Yes, based on say okay, God when we say it still be God. You know the after everything when he do, he surprised say the juju fail. A bonnet take care all those juju when they do say he fail. He surprised. He surprised. He shocked her. Because for her wildest dream, she come because a person will be saying they put hope. She believe on those things. They read, they believe on where. If any guy you give her mind, give her this thing, who they cry for my pay, so you they crazy. And when else we not via. But the page is agree dog Bobby where you are. When the reverse was the case, she called the happy here. This is what they do daily, day in, day out. You or they say, what have you? Our plan, eh? He got the you hear for talking. Tomorrow, he go come out for Lolo. Here I'm again.
Me why to stay? Since when you make you a video, me I want lock up. Meriwa.
Video now. No video. No video.
Yeah, wala dia you worry Lolo.
No need to carry yourself come out.
A plan in Aladia worry Lolo. Like she thinks she can do everything and go free. Which person? They can not vienna you are son no. This idiot. I didn't beat her any member about the evil when she they do. A evil. Evil no ya say back mo ya no be only outsiders. You know what if faith see? Me when you know quarrel with faith based on say use me they know this demon. I know me I dey pity for faith. Now they happy for her life finally. Dana or ya ashia war or don't go for bedroom. You don't if you near your own name, it will be finished. Off for totally. She was happy. Now, how it be? It a cry for fake account. Also go. What did Sarah do? Oh, Sarah. You are permitted to cry. What is you and those your four bastards? And tell Lolo, you guys are permitted to cry. Cry me an ocean. So, because we are so weak, can you believe on your juju before say it no will fade? It get fade, say because say fade for your child for how long you can't feel say say baby. And based on faith, when he sees some things, faith can't say, but no lona if he face say I will bruise you. E say and that one not go finish your effort. I go beat you till only God can know. Rita was the one when you succeed do how long? I mean you shed how long? I say and I never see start to they beat you. The man when you go for Nigeria, I don't come out. When you go fuck, when you do husband, when you go on here ladian, make buwe. I don't start with you. You are permitted to cry. No. The man when you go for Nigeria, how many years ago, Papa Wella friend, did not come on your ladian. This one when you see go Nigeria go fuck now, I la way. Me I don't start. Now make and not the truth, oh. No, not the truth. Not be lie. Because I am in a van boy. And you know on me. Say because I did not make the world they know you. And they never still know you. Yeah, my wherefore. And I will make sure of that. Now Batty. Every damn me war. Share the when you they use they call my name. Carry my name, they go to them, say it don't expire. Why not go expose you? If they use me against person you they happy. Now the table turn now you they cry. I they bring you for body. Was yeah. Even the porn star can say, I go send them come. Now I made the porn star go cut that video comment. When that idiot they turn say, come. Oh go belu wa bit wa warrior. Wa bola wa gbea. Enough na can't try again. What damn idiot, useless human being. What ball out a poster. See as you they frustrated. Early morning, they might be video when we Rita do yesterday. Uma met him, you don't due to bone. Not be that one you did. Now you won't take her and winner for your head. He say, I go hospital, carry picky come off my toto. When I do I now money like the no devil war. Now toto the phone bring a comment, now you're condemned toto. You know that now that the lizard won't pass comment. Ah warrior, wagbon, useless element, condemn human being. Wagbeo. Why now they cry now? Now I don't know. Why are you crying now? Though they do conspiracy, they do evil every night day. I make a near way. No time they not tell they do one. Any up to date. As I tell this one in the place. So this one is even small compared to what all this idiot don't do. This one when me they play. So when they do around 2 o'clock in the night. So this one is small compared to the ones. Hello, sweetie. How are you? Compared to the one that they have done, they are doing now, like now, as we're speaking. I said, I can't give you preview. You they cry. Are you crying? And when you do it, and I preview, I said, I can't give you. And I saw God till they punish you. God must they punish you and make you a slave. Because evil person, you can't go meet evil person. Based on saying me, I'm not those diabolic this merony. That's why the thing quick clear when we say I bruise you. And I also going to the bruise you. Oh, he thought to retire. And there's nothing for make me thought to retire before. But the beating when you don't receive, when you don't receive and when you will still receive. Your fees are compare, where are you compare? Only you know now. The beating when you don't receive, unko. You can't be happy. Now, since then, you not gonna sleep again. Who give ye fun lele ahia. Actually, they do one with this video, and I say they do one with the one when the day you see that evil, a dove voice of evil. Me, I play one first. Now, area way. You see that Kate? He beats me for my hand, the long. He get why.
I hope you go
How long I tell me oh Queen Terati, but how are you? How are you doing?
Hello, Mommy Kate. I will come mommy every minute.
I don't voice of life.
Okay.
I never even want to blast that one. That one. Because I can take care they send all the message when they go. Sarah, T-Boss, how are you, sweetie? How you doing? Good evening, my darling. That one I you condemn them, man. I don't even have to
understand. If I'm we had drive a city. So, the community, when Yahoo boys in all these boys, we hackers, hacky bank, we hackers, whenever I'm a contract in business again, the ready to kill you. So, because I don't like to deal with them. I'm not, my man like how they say, hacker, Yahoo boys,
both hire killer or hackers, everything or both, no one can take. I mean, no one not their hand. Can take care and there, monekia, those evil women. If to say they will feel go tell my Zuba back, they will feel go use their total fuck, they will feel carry that they are evil total. Go give Mike for nights. So that Mike go close every other page, every other person page. Yeah, funny. Dog yeah, I hear your wow. Nobody for this Facebook. Just as Ketekia. Wait to all because of social media. I tell you, this one na hack where hunger bonoro. This one na sumo. This one not be even nothing. He got me person when he go kill her. Ona gebe man no ga gbewa. No gbewa be senika. You see that thing? That one. That voice of life, that idiot. It don't change and now I change it to a voice of therapy. Kona lie na dimo. Down. No where this man not they go for that idiot. You hear wait for tell and say because he trusts Sam. When Keteka send me this voice note, he say only for your ear alone. Because you know why Keteka can't send me? Because she can't believe on the juju when she can't use. Say you no go fade, they fade the dead. You got it?
Hello, Mommy Kate. Opo will come mommy every minute. Okay. Immune away, understand? If I'm away, we have drive a city. So, the community, when Yahoo boys in all these boys, we hackers, or hacky bank, we hackers,
This one, when he come, they try to bring Monica out down. Not be Monica out, both Lolo. We're trying. I'm not one but when God punish uncle, she can't do under. You when he just they come, you won't bring people when he they here that they don't they build for long. We are what vineyard button American exist. Then you can't be saying now you when you come yesterday, you can't say now you can't day. Nothing this idiot no use. I mean, normal low. But at the end of the day, uncle, not be ototo, eto ye degbera tono guana bekete kia. Ofia e work bete guolo no.
We me ya contract in business again.
I take it the young when one of the ready to kill you. So you know, because I don't like to deal with it. I don't my man like how they say haka ya person who escaping you. But you know when it matter na she it get as it be my sister because why any way ya we better ya bring in it now. And secondly, now you I trust. Upon way, you know, I will never involve myself yet in that way a coffee mocking my water for me. So because you, I so much trust you in the way that way you are like a sister to me. That is the reason why I involve myself in this thing, and I know that everything is going to be secret because I'm Monagina. If I so I come, I agree. Very unique, you will person who are escaping, but you know, really.
If you're not listening, she know that everything is going to be secret. This idiot say God punish him. The one when me know about it now sumo. If this is a dose of light tell you things, that can take your your ho. As demonic as evil she is, listen, no me I plan, me I not talk. You're the listening.
It matter na she it get as it be my sister because why any way ya we better ya bring in it now. And secondly, now you I trust. Upon way, you know, I will never involve myself yet in that way a coffee mocking my water for me. So because you, I so much trust you in the way that way you are like a sister to me. That is the reason why I involve myself in this thing, and I know that everything is going to be secret because I'm Monagina. In my sorrow, I agree. Very near when if you to your this case me the social media I don't follow the day for that kind of life. So in a coming anyway, all I just need is bring it down and tell me what to pay. Just bring the page down. That is all I need. So when you read the link, read the link in here. So let read the name of the Facebook and the true in the here. So when you maybe 2 days in here before I still come alone, even happy in yourself, you married to the Amatia was my way. Me entire program, programming and here where it is possible for them to bring it down. Then they will not discuss. After discuss, if we agree for what to give to them, then they will bring it down under the same day. Now we agree the same day. The man washing the line. Once you break it, then you have to go and check it. Where you break it and then you are here but in our problem, you know. So now you will never hold here. So Saturday evening, you are calling me to let me know whether it's possible or not. And secondly, was I still want to talk with about 2 or 3 people. Understand? So on really helpful. You have me the right person or bring this page down. So that is it, my sister. I'm doing it because I trust you, and that is why I'm doing this thing. If it's somebody else, it will be you at all. So I know that in a way with you, they will have their money. I say it would look me come. Understand now, but I trust you. No problem. Please let it just be between me and you.
Yeah. Share this video, guys. Okay, so share the video, guys. Very fun. Hey, boy, inside like, oh, face, really. Oh, David, I see you. Let it be. I hear me when it day between you. That kid, it can take care. The ashi wo the akuna family. This one are the one when it's simple. This one are the one when the day even good for you. This one even good. This one for me. No. The bone.
And that is why I'm doing this thing. If it's somebody else, it will be you at all. So I know that in a way with you, they will have their money. I say it would look me come. Understand now, but I trust you. No problem. Please let it just be between me and you. Get more on how we allow go. Why between me and you, Lao. In that way, I could.
He said, make it not tell any other people. You see, when I tell and say, that's why I see talk, say, make it not tell and say, now they go or bow everything. You see what she talk? Say, make it not tell anybody, say, now they do, and they the back. You really care. You don't see why some people, they do something. They will then, you don't go, know you're the face, but now then they the back. Oh. You hear them? Not tell anybody, say, now me, Marie, care, mini. Not anybody, say, now me, they the back. You got it? You're raw. And not be only she. And your ba. There are many. Hello, my lady.
Hello, Sarah, good evening.
Good evening, man.
This sort the way you play. Eh? Hello?
They hear you.
Why you not use and do picture? Now all the way where it's not that presenter, they will use and do picture collect money put for pocket.
No, I know now they use this one. I use one now. No, I know we use one do picture. Oh, I do picture.
Because it's not them. They don't go play. They will collect all the people money picture. See disgrace when they enter their body. People now so witches they behave now.
Yeah.
Now how witches they behave. People they sleep in the midnight on a call. They discuss how they destroy people when on you.
You hear them?
See disgrace because of social media. Kate, not be your papa, your mama be CEO of Facebook. Why the fight? Why the destroy? Why you carry people name to native doctor just because of social media? Now wow. I can wake up for Benin people's chat. My sister, continue.
Thank you. Thank you. Which one you they talk for there? What it be your name? Love V. I hear you what they play all this kind of one. No, if me want to play in a bomb, me I know this one I feel playing for here. No, I can play this one here. You want to do pay show? You need to not be the one when from Victor not play when they not play audio. When that bomb when it true. Oh, I feel bomb be ready or anyway na mati take throw the bomb. No, this one I hear this one. No, they do this one. This one not rich. No. Don't worry.
I ain't gonna agree. You call the problem. Not why you go social media way. Not I confess like way. Oh no more like no break. No more page no go to any my own. I trust you. Your mental trust you. I trust you. Your mental sister. All right, one love. No problem. Please let it just be between me and you. I can anybody. Get more always no allow go. Get why between me and you now. In that way I could. I ain't gonna agree. You call the problem. Not why you go social media way. Not I confess like way. Oh no more like no break. No more page no go to any my own. I trust you. Your mental sister.
No, she don't mean to say that. Now some Benin people. Oh yeah, don't know. They can take care. Say some. Go home. Don't for bed. Oh, the oldest to go. No go viral where you down. You go pay with blood. Every evil way you say you don't do. Okay, take care. Me, I've not seen. I never come across human being be say, I will see a crow. I go hear from my ear when you don't do evil rich kids. Down. Me might come across. I pray me I not come across all those idiots again for my life. I pray not to come across. I never see. The one when they come they do the when they come they go streets. And on here the street no ask when you Lolo when you go why they did record their play. Who want level social media no? It should make business of now don't find and go cut her neck. I was like, that woman. I don't know why she they cry for fake account. Me I never even start to the beat her. Or you are so. If they send this prostrate, that make me they bruise. I don't know why they bruise that, but we make me no pity for her. Whether she get useless belly or she don't get, I don't care. She can't say she go send that prostrate, that frustrated, pregnant, this thing come for me. So me, I'll come look and say, you get belly. Oh, go boy. I was like, hey, so that you, when he send now, me, I'll come, okay, you get belly, that one, I'll come, you come on the one, they want, they shoot me. Me, I'll come, oh, you get belly. Ah, what shit, Romo. Let me can say nako. That's why. And I walking. Wherever you don't come, you know they go nowhere. I go bruise you. I not care what any idiot because I know what they are doing. Yes, I know their plan. You know when you don't near devil, any move when they make, you will know. I know. That's why I was like, no mercy. There will be no mercy. A mercy in your Quand they say that monster, that frustrated liar, they call, they say, I go blast you even past the take here. Igi bruise not be a bewu. I don't have fiangu. Oh, you want to come for me? Don't want to that one I want to talk, he say he go come like ants. He want a hair like ants, they come my house. He go hair like ants. You know how when they pass a war. Now you are everywhere. He loco. I go excuse you. I go loco. I go prostate. They not go see your dead body. When now we ants here now. You know how they do ants. The big thing what they give one. You can't say okay. I go do it now. Make him face Rita. And it can't be say Queen Rita can't be. We say Queen Rita don't know why she they do it. You don't know why. That just send a con. Say Queen Rita go pity her. And I wait till Queen Rita redo. He repeat and say because he get one belle when he should go carry for guiding for bush. So that's why you see why. When he can't know, say Queen Rita, no go bruise that belly, he can't they get power. When he come inside, he give your name, no ban on him. On not change direction. Because I know the plan. Yes. When I give and I will see the beaten, that all be or my be, I don't care. Because when me know your evil plan, I no go pity for you. If this I go do that kind of thing for my side, if your name only two nights she change direction, she find another place enter. They craze. Now yeah, if you want to the zoo, then I say we it okay. We don't say me make your pity and don't be say down. Don't be say we don't even bruise. Now only one or why you not buy ya so bad. That prostrate, you go they cry. If for vie, as you don't get peace, how can? They joy, no make peace. Now so they cry, they go. Now cause an udage. When Lolo beaten, they Lolo bear when it be 1 year Lolo, when Lolo now one Lolo even given. If for people, they know they give the chance. If you get the they do like wish, or they do like this for where you did. You do away. When Lolo now they want Lolo give them more. No, not that. Or you want me not to tie or Rita. If not be the do things. Don't they pity whether they get belly because that belly na scam is a scam. So you don't pity. I'm not pity pity dating huh? Say you no one can use and can't do some kind wish craft something. She for enters, but she know what she they do. In and me they don't plan and me no. Pity you say waiting. Now you don't carry belly before. No, it's just an knowledge you don't carry a quiver po. A quest of her head, useless belly ever in the history of this Europe. That's why we don't carry frustrated belly, depressed belly. Instead of vitamin and depression drug, now she they take. I go bruise that depression into your soul. Me, I give a fuck. One country your witchcraft for when not bruise all them one. We never hear your door. You see, I'm saying near those territory again. Cause they could I say me here they look no I don't they look they don't go they do like fly here what do I this mountain. Yeah the so they beer they dance anyhow for where you don't pro your neck like Gabriel not get his level locals. Oh your neck like a one not be a while look your way. Uri are so bole. A boy day. And not go be saying on social media. Oh baby here. So that if you go sleep, you go know what he done. That's why they do the rubbish when they do. For a man, now they feel say Rita don't know how to bruise them. Or rather you get in reason why about me, I get my own reason why I see the beat them. My reason give me get my reason why me beat them. Nyana ye bet your beer, what make can even near me, even get that plan. Say one call the zoo for where I did. What make I even get the plan for the start? Here I can take here. He miss road now. He and miss road there. I miss so that the first, you know, that is all the video we call they do. Sarah, hopeless, frustrated idiots. Ah, warrior. O my here na sakare. Ni gwen na gwegbera. You're useless papa. Una evil. See una life now. Condemn frustrated life. Eh ni boon video. Ni boon. See the one when she do, the time when she dey. You see this that mugu goat. A mugu goat in mugu goat.
I hope you go court with this lady. Since courtpaper.com is in November, lovely. Prepare yourself. It was a self-defense. You sat.
Of course, I will prepare myself. This one now, you see down. This one now, the other one you said for mugu goat.
There, and she came attacking it. You had to defend yourself. Very simple. Cut her nail and all of that. When I felt the problem before, yes, it was a social media thing. When I talk, everybody go their way. But for her coming to you to attack you, I wish you get gone that day or anything. You could use it to defend yourself, and she will be dead. It was a self-defense, you know. So yeah, that's what probably you get advice from solicitor. That's what you're putting forward. Thank you, Amore. Take care, Sarah, for your support. If you're, if you are open.
This one, I want to go to. Yeah. Of course, yeah. When that idiot can attack me, February, okay, March, April, okay. April on the 4th. Yeah. Say I get gone that day. Now. Because as a self-defense, self-defense, I have a weird, don't they can't attack me. And anybody when they can't attack me, or can't attack me, I go give her for everybody go to. If you're
I hope you go court with this lady. Since courtpaper.com is in November, lovely. Prepare yourself. It was a self-defense. You sat there. And she came attacking it, you had to defend yourself.
Yes.
Very simple, cut her nail and all of that. When I felt the problem before, yes, it was a social media thing. When I talk, everybody go their way. But for her coming to you to attack you, I wish you get gone that day or anything. You could use it to defend yourself, and she will be dead. It was a self-defense, you know.
Yes. I say on the ground, I beg a corner, and just the truth, now be this. So what those when you are dealing with illiterates, like hopeless, frustrated, you're not just with the truth. The truth, who if I don't want. I have a discuss say, I have read that type of people. Say they go forge lie, they will prepare lie. No, when you want to win me, not they win me with lie. Only the truth. Yes, then you can defeat more. And when it comes to even court, all those police something, only the truth. I don't care any lie, anything where you, anything at all. Yes. And this one, when he do, yes, so, when he do, you see the video, the record, me I see whether I see the record of, the one when Kete can them go continue to do conspiracy for live video. That one can go delete them. I get that one, a record there. And that go delete them. This one, when he talk for years, so when this Mugu, this prostrate talk for years, so over your fear with your wood, over your tove, on so they be. That's how they are. But not be evil. This one be my evidence or even anything when they talk. My evidence na camera. I bruise on. The camera did there. 9. So all this conspiracy, everything when this idiot they do is belong. My bella school. Yes, after they don't do all those conspiracy finish, now they bruise on, Lolo bruise on. This one na December. All those are the one they play when he tell you go come out for Lolo, you go come out for this one, you go come out for that one. Those one after everything. That's why conspiracy. You see the one when we see they do so. Any kenojo evil conspiracy. Me I know they fear for evil conspiracy. She don't use her head carrying. Oh, Avialele, thank you, sweetie. Thank you. She don't use her head carrying. Prostrate, not use her head carrying. Ketekia no use her head carrying. I don't bother. You don't bother about those sheep conspiracies when they do. Yeah, where he couldn't. No fenko, they know we can look, but all the you go break their bone. That's what evil conspiracy people when they do. Even now we any. Iko no fenko, even no we can no look boje we can you know. Ofen, look go catch and go break, go shop and shop the bone. That's how it is. Idioji, how they discuss and you don't get 2 ways. You don't get 2 ways. So after everything. They will still be in pain. They will still use their hair carrier. Shame and disgrace na woto. This one when this idiot do now. What they call now? Ewi, Blishy, Karwai family. You go see what he go take pay for that one. We are me no ya pay. Ewi, evil conspiracy. I don't bother. How they bother because the ways they pay. All those things they do for evil. Ask a take care ministry do. Any year, almost every time they take care plan for evil. Or you have your 80% or 20%. Yes. I know you. Of ye okpake. One no go re. Kete kia dia kuna akurakumbe. Akurakumbe. The Akuna Matata family. The only Akuna Matata. Akuna Kuna. No. Ije Rita when we should wear able to ya bashe wa. Nine. Ije Rita rowa. Is enjoy. Ije hey. Everybody know for Belgium. Even Emanike a France like Belgium who he joue en meia. Emanike Germany la who he joue tian bolingo oh, Ije Rita see you egbe. The money when you collect, when your man te balance you, not be you shopping. At the end of the day, second hand that hear me the bed when they sleep, you see that bed with second hand. The share when he did that idiot pal of second hand. Everything they knew second hand ya we me. Where make person cellophane even here? You know they remove cellophane. Hakuna Matata. My sister. Na Hakuna Matata o. Where best cellophane can take care they forbid anything we say they remove cellophane. The children who did go be Biakani. You see the children bed. Up to date, if Biakani every pakona. See See this idiot. See the Hakuna Matata family guy. I hope we will be able to show it on this media. Come here, they say, when I say I won't show the video, I can't say I won't show one. Or did he not like me? He fear. Can't use a hand, bring a commercial. Now this is back up to date. That's done. Hakuna Matata family. Oma change it. Ask me the money when you see for Hakuna Matata. I ever ya dik bako ya day new for me. Up to date. I'm change. I change it. Hakuna Matata where? Yeah. See. You know see the reason why she thief my pants. This is the reason why she stole my pants. Should there a pant in Ojo? Me no. Or why a live video? Have a pant a bed that select. You can't even afford 15 euro pant, 20 euro pant, 30 euro to say 50 euro pants. Now you see all these pants. Udegena. Ogba. Or you want me a pant in me. Intimate see me. That's a marker pants. On a duel, on a bolingo. He can't say my pants they with you. Women, why you? You don't get what you want to do. You, I will beat you in that grave. If you even try yourself, you see Naomi, Elias, Abokio, those are past eye children when you get. You ain't the process. You ain't usual. You ain't got BS game, whatever. Say you even intent, you even try. If I knew I give me a webo. See thief guy. The party need idiot in Nigeria. Now this party used to go fuck for Nigeria. A party now. Like he wants to go fuck married man. Now this a party now. Which man they put this kind of pants? Which man they put this kind of pant again? Now this pants now they wear. When papa white la friend poo. Yeah, egbena. Married man when he go Nigeria November, be December here. Now this pant, now this kind of pant, now they pull. Shameless idiot. Cloth na second hand, pants second hand, shares everything because your children bed now. Nothing to write home about you. Now you they talk. And you look by raw, nothing. Poor. No wonder. Every tag bewa, sian. Ikbako. Have you changed? Go and change that bed. Here, man. Those are not good. You gonna me Hakuna Matata. I everywhere. They know the tape for inside. A big way, equals a buno. Now one of the CBDs. Anytime they see this one, okay, what we are on why we go say now one of the a big party on a why we ba na the companies when you why we ba no na fiona gia na why again all those companies they wear now that part they not even they shame to they wear those companies they go they fuck married men they know they shame once you go for a year you was see borrow pants not your born why did the pants here nothing by better pants like sexy fine one complete. Yeah, what I yeah, you won't go for power la. Lolo, I beg, give me your pants. No, I mean, you are shameless people. I'd like them now go fuck married me. Why they pants? No, now they bear what to agbe. Yani o war, adulterous as she war, condemn elemede. A single shame no they die, though they talk rubbish. Why so? You they cry. Me, I never even beat you so. Get here. I can't do. Show you the piece of Rita. Why you when the reverse was the case now? How many months I don't they bruise you? You who were say? I tell you now where. Who you dig where you go beg? You say Sarah leave me. Say me I. How many video when you do it call they happy for it? How many? You wish I leave you alone. Now your evil we know. And God in heaven know you. Me, you know. Yoruba boyfriend number. Thank you, my dear. The Facebook though, me I show on the Facebook so that wawa gwalo. Na married man no. Now I go Bolingo for Nigeria. Me I show na. Na married man on a Bolingo Married man on a boy Nigeria on a ya. The same hotel, yana ware hotel. Room 00. Now walking. Room 00. Married man for that matter. How can you be dudu vagaring married man? See, this take Lolo. After a dog go, this take Lolo when you do it like earlier. This one a human being. On a kuye ye booty, my yoga pa. See me run 440. Esther bring your husband and now. He say make it run because now that head, that day, the man not wear cap. He don't wear waje. The day will go a power when he lock him for boot. Now so he head be there was no cap to put the head and rage and put for inside. Now he say, anyway, when I move, I go call him for inbox. Okay, you go give her for inbox. Okay. You go call her, you go give her. Imagine fucking going to Nigeria to fuck a married man. Imagine. That man na S so. Na S for Belgium. When he come that video, I had the very post because I renew Who they renew? Ooh. Iyo coco. Iyo coco. Married women. I give me any more who don't let them the rest. I get rest. Where did this second day for you? See. Now the man be that. Now the man when he fall. Ashi. Hakuna matata. Na see hakuna matata. See na the married man for Lagos, the Yoruba. The man when he dey fuck for Nigeria. Knock out in Nigeria. When he go Nigeria, go fuck December here. You see that video when I show you? Hakuna matata. You know the Adamo. That this man so he don't marry. She go Nigeria by herself. The take Lolo. You see that long head, Omajo? And I want to hotel. See matataring. See Bolingo. Now the man face will be this guy. Yeah, now he be this. Yoruba man when he fuck for Nigeria, when you go meet for Nigeria, fuck again. So-called married woman. The man has a wife. This man get wife. No, the man go Benin. Now the man be this. Now the man sit down. You see when they do this thing. You see this thing when you say they do so. See the man. See the man. See the man. See me pepper them. See the man. He say me pepper them. Pepper who? Ashi akurakumbe. Hopeless ashi ewu. They talk say marry for where? Aboki don't suffer. That one a idiot in best side. You need that one. That bottle when that one you're there, he even deserve. Only slow poison. That long head, that alien head, slow poison over Ariana. Slow poison over. You see them. See, now there be this. You see this one. You see this one. Now husband though. Me I show you the take Lolo. Now they carry those kind useless husband they go. See the one when Ekia slave rock banowe mawawage. No one rock bano mero. Oh, he born when ke take your born for. Poster, you they cry for for your baby father when he first come out. The man when you first born for what go. The one we can take your born for. That one don't narrate. Now that one will narrate Hakuna Matata. The Oibo. Make that one see the wait. That one go narrate Hakuna Matata and mama. Go down ni. Hakuna Matata and mother. It's so good with Facebook, you know. When the prostrate come they misbehave, because they do like, because they do kitty, they do kata kata. Yeah, on a kitty, on a kata kata. See you might be in head. Yeah, what one? Sarah, who they fuck you? You don't go know. Person they fuck me. See, you see this alien? Who that alien? Now so it take go a pass. Based on say na alien, you know today okay. So that's why I say me wrong. So it's not presentable without cap. I want ye unye when I retire baboya. Now so that's why they see people when they get better husband they be okay. Carrying your yeah. I want to present this alien head before. If you're the we are one me, we are one now the alien you we are when they look that if you will be like you know they look huh? So as you know they presentable that's why they know they agree. You say make it wrong. They go. Cause how can I go to a party with I'll say me and my husband come there. What's it constant say me go inside? Oh great. No, because earlier we had all the show earlier. I show earlier. You guys are wonderful. Thank you. So, Aproko take heart. Aproko take heart. But not be today. The hatred. That's why God they punish the porn star. When you they use your mind, they have the last person. Then go they plan evil. They say make up me carry the video cause as your Ketekia report the page, he tell the useless this thing say make it report them. I will not report eh. You hear them? So now thank you all so much. More they can know for that page show. The one that is going to be made no is going to be made no. Is with your guy at the top. The one that is going to be made. The one who will take do patient. I go beat that idiot. Oh, say that you regret what you make evil plan evil. Yeah, we are there. Right for the day one, no. Right for the day one. Say that why did kids when you guys wait for a farm. You know, now they show you us now. Because he head, because he not pull cap. Or he forget to carry cap. We are me, know you is not me, unye. You don't see us present chest time presenting your corner, you know, correct man. Unye now. If you see you yourself will be like, you're supposed to know your brother this man come here. She know that's why he say me wrong. I have wear your boot. Now your debut to I got behavior where I want my wife. I know wear trunk of the boot. I got suffocate. He can't suffocate for his side trunk. Trunk of car. You got mine. Because he want mine for Yoruba boyfriend for Nigeria. Oh man, that man show you son. Oh man, they want tell him. Cause that one they follow up on you. You want Yoruba boyfriend though. Also not queer. Take Lolo for inside trunk of car. Yeah, that was the reason. And he heard, you know, good. Emma the camera. Emma the picture. Love you. So I just want me to complete that audio for now. So no, I make a nariko niako. It not be today, don't they? And they are doing more. And so that's it, bros. I know. No shaking. Continue. Love you guys. 10 o'clock. Love you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. share the video. Share the video. I love you. Ketekia. Cry me a ocean. Sean, who have this again? Cry me ocean. Ocean. You did not expect it. No, you not expect this. You feel say the truth when you can't use. Even when faith warn you, say get the kind of spirit when they follow Sarah the waka. Or make best spirit on the lenya. Cause if this thing when you they do if you backfire, the big thing when it go give you, it will last for eternity. Oh, you can't feel say not lie. Faith tell you I be not tell you. Not be you can use your man tell me say what if faith tell you. Cause a faith here, the best spirit on the lenya different. You feel they do a body not go last. You feel they have your way. You were having your way. You were happy. But I they do you. I just want, as I they do you, all the cry when they cry for fake account, what you were heavy. A venin were so when I hammer you for your soul. And I see the hammer they come. I never told. I they do you. You shock. Evil useless human being. They used to say God, they open wide, they let everybody see the evil people they do. You will see some people, you cut their neck. Who fear, who you fear for. That's why they talk now. You see, when he do that evil, God know, after I call for Bejo, God know, now this whole thing starts. And he say, oh, bad goes. Now to scatter everything. Expose that to the world. Imagine that kind of thing still continue. I will see the beer, I will see the keeper. Based on, you see when they call the blame Lolo now. Based on you if you say that your friend, you need to cover. Why cover? They cover many things, they cover many things. No. Thank God say my own knowledge like that. I did not get to even bear it for a long time. And even that small time when I take bear those your evil, I will beat you put. Yeah, boy yo. Yeah, blast you way. Anything that has breath, yeah, blast away. Who be one home a big. They do you for inside. Love you all guys. And thanks again. Make I see that person. Love you, Lolo. Thank you, baby. That person, someone support the badge again. The supporting badge. Every day we they get supporting badge. Thank you. I need to see that person. I need to see the person. Thank you, Don. Sarah T Boss fans. You guys are wonderful. And every other person fans. God will bless because everybody, they watch everybody. So we move. Love you all so much. We see you guys. Evil, Emma. Evil no good. You can enjoy it for a while, but you know they last forever. And the consequences, the repercussion, you know they good. Emma. Love you. Stay.